Now we have discussed about the row widget in my previous video. Hope you have got the information about the row widget, and now in this video we will discuss about the column widget. As we have discussed about the row widget, you can understand what is the why we use the row widget and how we use row widget and for what purpose we use the row widget. Now in column widget the same functionality, we use column widget for uh, layout in complex and most modern applications. You need the layout widgets where we have to use more widgets, for example for the e-commerce app. So you have to work with the row and column. So in this video we will use the column widget. uh, Now use the column in the body section here. Remove the center and use the column and just get rid of this code. Now from here we will use our children, same as row we use the children. Now in this children widget, every widget which we will use inside this children will be in a same column. Now let's use some simple containers. uh, Container. Now container contain the different types of properties. Let's say give it padding. Padding let's say padding, sorry, let's say padding edge insects dot all mean about four sides from bottom, left and right. It will be about 20.0, or you can set any value according to your need. Now use the color of the container colors. What will let's say the red color. Okay, now you can use the child inside this container. uh, Child, we use text inside this child, text widget. Okay, data, let's say first. Okay, now let me use an other container. For example, let's copy this container, copy and paste here. Where this container is ending, copy this container and paste here. Okay, padding about you can say about 15, and color will be black, black, and container number 2, and let's say about container number 2, let property. Okay, copy once again, copy, and this is the last container, container number 3, and color will be, let's say pink is my favorite color, so I will choose here. Okay, let's first run the app and see what will happen uh, with these properties. Okay, let's run the app. Oh, sorry. Flutter run. Okay, let's see the change. Now you can see the output container number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you can use the same properties we used in the previous video in a row widget. For example, um, main axis alignment. We use the main axis alignment. Where is the main axis alignment? Let's okay. Dot center space between space evenly and run the app. We have discussed these things in the previous video. You can see the all the containers are space evenly. Sorry, you can see these changes. You can change it to space evenly, or you can end to end, make it end to end. Let's run it again. It will be end to end. Okay, hope you are enjoying my tutorials, and we will see more videos in the next section. Do subscribe and share this video. At the end we will do an e-commerce project. Thank you very much.